High above, where the horizon stretches and the world seems to shrink below, there's a profession that demands courage, precision, and an unwavering focus. These are the linemen, the unsung heroes who keep our modern world powered. Every day, they navigate a complex web of steel and wire. Each connection, each adjustment, is a critical step in a vast, interconnected system. Their tools are an extension of their skill, their safety gear a testament to the inherent risks. From the sturdy concrete pole to the intricate lattice of transmission towers, their office is the open sky. They face the elements, battling weather and challenging terrain to ensure the lights stay on and the energy flows. This isn't a solitary pursuit, it's a symphony of coordination. Teamwork is paramount, each member relying on the other, communicating seamlessly to manage heavy equipment and delicate components. They are engineers, builders, and maintenance experts, all rolled into one. Installing new infrastructure like this transformer requires meticulous planning and flawless execution. Heavy lifting is part of the job, aided by powerful machinery. But it's human skill that guides these giants, ensuring every piece fits perfectly into the larger puzzle of the grid. From ascending towering structures with practiced ease to the careful handling of insulators that prevent dangerous shorts, their expertise spans a wide range of specialized tasks. Each bolt tightened, each wire secured, contributes to the reliability of our power. Their perspective is unique, a bird's-eye view of the communities they serve, a constant reminder of the responsibility they carry, stretching across valleys and over mountains. Even seemingly simple tasks, like ensuring insulators are clean and undamaged, are vital. These ceramic or polymer guardians stand between immense power and the world around them. They work in silhouette against the dawn and under the midday sun. Their forms a familiar sight against the skyline, often unnoticed, yet always essential. They are problem solvers, adapting to unforeseen challenges, ensuring the integrity of the network that underpins our daily lives, our industries, our hospitals, our homes. So, the next time you flip a switch, take a moment to remember the dedication, the bravery, and the incredible skill of the power keepers, the linemen who connect us all.